Hello, this is Sahirenys, and we're back for another 2-minute Q&A Tuesday, where today we're going to talk about cashback apps and more specifically Rakuten. So let's get right into it. So today's question is, do you use any cashback apps? And if you do you feel like it's worth it? This is a great question, especially during the holiday season when you're trying to save a little bit of money. We're not being cheap, we're trying to be frugal, and I am right there with you guys. I personally use Rakuten. My husband introduced me to it. His coworkers were all talking about the sign-up bonus, and I think he just wanted to get the other sign-up bonus for getting me on there. But in reality, it all ended up working out because I do most of the lifestyle expenses or shopping here in the household anyways, buying all the kid clothes and everything like that. So I was already planning on spending some money at Sephora to buy some makeup, no shocker there. And I saw that there was a promotion for that day to get 10% cash back. And I was like, hey, that sounds amazing because I'm already going to spend money there anyways. So what I ended up doing was I did my purchase at Sephora. I activated the code. I got my cash back and I also got a sign-up bonus. So when that check actually came to the house to get, from Rakuten, I was like, oh my God, this is real. So I told all of my friends and family about it because I was like, hey, if this benefited me, it might benefit them as well. So let me explain how Rakuten makes money. Let's pretend that Rakuten is like a social media influencer where they get paid when they partner up with companies to promote their service or product. Now, within that collaboration, realistically, that company offers Rakuten's community an opportunity to get a rebate if they make a purchase from their store. So that's exactly how you get your cash back and Rakuten gets their commission. So just like all of my other content, I do want to put a warning. If you are someone who is easily influenced by deals and sales, or you might have an online shopping addiction, using Rakuten is not beneficial for you. And it's the same thing even when using credit cards. It's not going to be a benefit for you if you're spending money you do not have or weren't planning on purchasing in general. So I would actually stay away from Rakuten or credit cards if that's you and that's where you're at right now. But if you do know how to manage your emotions when it comes to shopping and you do want to take advantage of cashback and things like that, I'm going to share with you guys how I use Rakuten. So from my understanding, there's 4 ways you can use Rakuten. 1, you can use their app. 2, you can go on their website. 3, you can download a browser extension. And 4, you can do an in-store activation. So I personally use the browser extension. So instead of going to the Rakuten website or the Rakuten app and getting tempted by seeing all the other cashback opportunities, I go on the internet, on Sephora, let's say for example, and do my regular shopping, and a pop-up from Rakuten actually pops up saying, hey, we have an opportunity for you to get 10% cashback. Do you want to activate this? Yes or no? I put yes, and right away I continue shopping as if I didn't even go on Rakuten. So that's how I use Rakuten, and hopefully you guys can get some cash back during the holidays. But if you want more information on Rakuten, definitely check out my website, thepoisedlifestyle.com, and do not forget to share this information with all of your friends and family. Bye.